Okay, so everybody wants to know if we can use UV resin for my Galaxy pendants. So what I have done is I have Let's Resin, UV resin, okay? And I have all of the dark colored resin, the 18 pack dark color resin, UV resin colors, okay? We're going to try it. Let's see if it works. Now, you know, I always do my signature, some type of Marabu in it. So this time I'm going to use the violet, blue, green. Okay, so you know I have to put in some of the Marabu, violet, blue, green, because that's just how I am. If we're going to make it, we're going to make it right. Okay, now this is just UV in my cup. Mix it in. Now UV has to be done in layers, so we can't make it all at one time without curing it in between, right? So we're going to pour some of this in here, and this is Let's Resin UV, and I put some of the Marabu in it because yes, we still want our sparkles, and we're going to see if this works. Okay, use a little bit of alcohol, get rid of the bubbles. Okay, let's cure. Okay, so let's see if it's hard enough. Yep, you can see the sparkles in it. Okay, so I'm going to put some UV over the top to give myself a wet layer. Not a lot, just enough. Okay, now this is where it becomes different, because normally with the epoxy resin, we would be putting the alcohol inks in just sporadically, right? Well, we're going to have to use the Let's Resin colored UV resin. I'm going to try to use the same colors that I use in my regular Galaxies in the epoxy, but this is UV. So this is just colored UV resin. So I'm just going to drop in drops, and then we're going to swirl it around, okay, and see what we come up with. It's a whole different technique. Okay. Gonna see if we can pull this off. Not sure how many drops we need of anything. This is just, we're learning right now. Okay, got a bubble in there. Pop our bubble. Maybe a little bit of alcohol to get rid of the bubble. Okay. Put some more purple in there. Some more blue. And some black. Okay, now we're just going to swirl it around. See what happens. Because it's a whole different technique, okay? Now let's cure that. See if we end up with any type of galaxy. Okay, let's see. Cured? Yes. It's not looking like a galaxy. I really don't think you can pull off a galaxy with UV resin, because with the regular alcohol inks, it's not going to cure. Let's put in some more. See, it has to have that like clear coat, clear, I don't know. You can see how good I am with, I'm not. I am a true die-hard epoxy resin girl. But everybody keeps asking me, or they keep trying to do this. With UV, but you have to use different products. I don't think it has the capability. Get rid of our bubbles. Okay, let's galaxy this layer. Okay, then we'll cure it again. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it upside down, and whatever you do, do not look into these lights, okay? Don't want to mess up your retina. So do not look directly into the UV lights. I'll let it cure from the underside. Okay, let's see. It is hot. And that's another thing that's happening, is people are burning their fingers with the UV resin trying to get all of these colors in it. See, UV, in my opinion, is made for dried flowers, you know, names, just cute little things that you can add into it that's still going to cure completely. But by the time you put all of these colors and stuff in it, then it gets hot to the touch. It's extremely hot. Just for that amount of time that we cured it. So I am not going to burn my fingers. I am going to let it cool down, and then I'll demold. So I'll be back. Okay, let's demold. It still is warm to the touch, but not scalding hot. So let's see if it's cured with these colors in it. It did turn out pretty. It's not the normal galaxy that we're used to, but this is the best that it can be with the UV colors. And this is the dark pack. What do you think? Good? Until next time.